Oh my god, I had a job offer. But I was so conflicted. There was two jobs. One was like sewing job, but it was a project contract like for 3 months. I don't know what the hell it's called. And then the other one was like a buyer assistant. It's a permanent job. I mean, if I do well, that is. I really wanted the sewing one. I had a test sewing day on the sewing one. They were like, we love you here. We love your energy. Blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, oh, I love being here too. I really loved it, and also like it will improve my sewing skills and also not doubting myself when I sew or like overthink, so I can work on my own thing. Hello. Permanent one. It is 1 hour and 30 minutes away. There's actually a video of me going to the interview, but it's 1 hour and 30 minutes away. This is ass. Maybe it's a sign from the universe that I shouldn't go, but I'm going anyways. Hopefully I don't get lost. This is why I come early to find the place first. It should be somewhere there because these looks like regular houses. I don't know what's going on today. I missed the first bus because it was too early. And I saw it go. And then I had to take another bus and then walk from there. The bus driver was rude to me when I was gonna get into the bus. And then I took the next bus and got here. And I was looking for the building, like where I'm supposed to have my interview. Bro, I'm at the wrong place. Google Map took me to a wrong place. And then I called the woman, like the one I was gonna have the interview with. I called her and then I was like, I'm sorry, like I think I'm in the wrong place, but I'm trying to get there. Can you tell me the nearest bus station? And she's like, this is the nearest bus station. I was like, okay, I'll be there in like 1 hour and 30 minutes. But she's gonna be off work in like 30 minutes. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm sorry. And she's like, it's okay. And then I asked her if we could have like online meeting instead on Monday, but she was like, no, I'm only available at the end of the week. So I was like, oh, okay. So I don't know. Well, this day has been useless, very shitty. Also, the bus lady, you know what, I'm not gonna say bad things about her. It's okay, people have bad days. She just wanted to be left alone, but she could have been nicer about it, you know what I mean? Yeah, this day was ass. Hopefully I can go home early, like on time. I hope I get home, okay? I want to go home. I want to be wrapped in my blanket and watch Jujutsu Kaisen. That's what I want to do, because this weather is ass. It's cold. My hand is red. Bro, it hurts. Second of all, the bus is coming in like 1 hour. I have to wait 1 hour here. There's nothing. There's nothing to do. There's no stores. I also need to pee. It took me 3 hours to get home with no interview, no nothing. What is wrong with today? On the way, I bought groceries, I bought canvas, I bought wine, and then I was like, no, I'm not coming out. I'm not going out tomorrow. I'm gonna stay at home where it's safe. That was a lot for me today. We had online video meeting and it went well. Like they were super nice. I really liked this. It's important for me that I love the place and I love the people that work there, because trauma from the last job is not fun. Like obviously it's a fast fashion company too, so I'm like it goes against mine, but I need money, you know what I mean? So we had the meeting and then they called me in for a second meeting and they loved it, like, but we never talked about how much I'm getting paid. So that's where we're at right now. But it's like, guys, it's 3 hours of my day just traveling in a bus. I still haven't gotten answer from the sewing one. I went out today because I had a meeting with people that is supposed to guide me or like help me find a job. It's like a program. Like I told you guys, there's a job that wants me, but I didn't like the pay, plus it's so far away. Otherwise, the job is really great. It will help me for the future, but not in the same way. It doesn't align with what I'm trying to do because I want to start my own. But there was another one that I had interview as well, same month, and the job was more sewing as a seamstress, which the job I want because it will help me get motivated to do my own projects as well, and I won't be afraid to sew, and it will help me increase my skills. I will get faster. I will be faster and like just better in general. Like all the techniques that I have learned in school, I will use them in real life and get better at them, so it would align with my future plans. But the other one, it really doesn't, but it could also do. But when it comes to the financial aspect of owning a brand, but it is almost 3-4 hour-ish away, back and forth, you know. I don't know, I just got much anxiety about it, like a lot of anxiety about saying yes to the job. I didn't really have another option because the sewing one, they told me like, oh, we love you here, we love your energy, we want you here, you know. They liked me, but she told me like, yeah, I will give you the contract this week, and she never did, and it has like been 2 weeks, so I cannot sit and wait. This contact with the seamstress job is through the job search help program, and I'm done waiting, like, because there's other options, but I really want to take this one because it aligns with it. I feel better, plus it's closer to me. It's in the same city, but nobody answered, and I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Like, I cannot just sit like a fool and miss the other chance I have, even though it is far away, and it gives me anxiety to say yes. Like, it's a hard choice. I don't really know, like, and also it gave me a lot of anxiety because why am I saying yes to this? Why can I not wait for another opportunity? Why am I so stressed and all that? But I cannot help it. I hate making decisions because like it would have been easier if I was happy with the place, I think, to say yes to, because it is a good job and opportunity. And when I talked to her on the interview, I was so relaxed, but maybe because I didn't expect to get it, but which made it like I performed better on the interview and they wanted me. So yeah, but I didn't like the salary either because the salary was low, and then now we went back and forth about the salary, so I haven't said yes or no yet, and they wrote to me on Monday. Now it's Tuesday, and I told the lady that is supposed to help me in the program, I was like, okay, I need you to call the other company because you said they love you, like da da da. She said that, oh, but I thought you already got in it, they want you, and like I don't know why they didn't give you the contract and everything like that. But I told her like I'm not gonna be waiting, and if you can contact them and then tell them that they should give me the contract, I would love that. So I'm waiting. I told her like firmly I will give you today to tell them. I'm gonna wait for a response. The latest I will wait is tomorrow because I don't like making other people wait either. So if I don't get it tomorrow, I will accept the other job, but I don't want to accept the other job because I want this job, even though it's a temporary one. It's like 3 months, but I think I'd rather risk it and be happy at the workplace rather than just go for the money or for the desperateness of not having a job. I don't know. I've been struggling with this for like more than a month now, of choosing either the money and the stability or doing what aligns with my passion, I guess, and soul and future. It's hard, it's tough. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. It's ghetto being adult. I don't want to be an adult. I want to be a kid. I'm also talking outside and I'm not used to it. I could pretend like it's a FaceTime. but then it has to be like on the other side. At least I look cute. Also, look, I went into a second hand and I found a really cute scarf. I also applied the 26th to a TV show program. It took me like more than 4 hours to do all the question and make video. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm getting myself into, but I thought it was gonna be a fun, spontaneous thing to do because I'm kind of random as a person too, so it will be fun just to be on TV, interact with random people. No idea what it's gonna be about because it's just said vacation outside of Sweden on TV, and I was like, hey, I'm down. So I applied for it. We'll see if I get it because it would be super fun and random. And yeah, honestly, I don't want a boring life. I don't want to sit on a desk. So I think it would be great if I get the sewing project contract and also the trip thingy. I don't know the order of filming this because I gotta cut it because people were walking. So the other job, where it is far away, it didn't sit well with my soul, and I didn't feel really good, and I can feel it. But when I tried to get like different point of views from people, and people are like, babe, you can work there while you look for something else. But then I wouldn't have any time to do the things I need to do for myself, like sewing, painting, and all that, because I would just go to work, come back, go to sleep. Oh, I forgot, I need to cook too. I don't live with anybody, so I have to make food for myself, feed myself, because nobody else will feed me. Feed myself, take a shower, because you need to be clean when you sleep, dusty ass. So let me say it again. Wake up at 5, go to work, start at 8 because it takes almost 2 hours to go there, and then work until 17, but then wait for the bus for 47 minutes and then take the bus, and I will be home by 19:20, and then I have to make food because I need dinner and lunch for the next day, and then I need to take a shower and then go to sleep and then wake up again at 5. Isn't that a fun life? I can't do it, guys. I can't. It sounds horrible. The only time I would have life is on weekend, but on the weekend I'm gonna be so dead tired that I won't be doing anything, not even the things I enjoy doing or like that will develop me or make my soul full and whole. I won't have time for those things, so I'm scared like to have to choose that. So I hope I really get the other one. Like, sure, it's like temporary, like 3 months, but while I do that I can search for something else because I will have time afterwards too. It's very close. I can even walk there. I mean, it might take like 37 minutes to walk, but there's also bus options. It doesn't really take that long time. It's like 7 minutes, 8 minutes with bus. I'd rather have that one. It suits well. Plus I like the workplace. They're young people around my age. I need to get used to filming myself in public because if I'm gonna be dedicated to this, I need to learn. Get out of my comfort zone because people, who cares about them? I love people, but I hate people at the same time. Oh, it's complicated. Oh, that is so cute, the kids. Anyways, I'm going to my friend. He's gonna pick me up and I'm gonna rant because I need some point of views. Even though I know what I want in my heart, it's just nice to hear from other people. Is it approval problem? Looking for approval, maybe I'm seeking approval, who knows? But it's kind of nice to get other people's views. Not that they would make the decisions for me, but like it's just nice to just say it out loud. When everything is in your head, it sounds so much complicated, but when you say it out loud, it becomes better, like because you can shape your words, form your words, and then you will find out how you actually really feel. If that makes sense. It makes sense in my head, but also sometimes I have hard time with words because I speak 3 languages and my mind just goes crazy. But I think in English, I believe, because I speak a lot of English with my friends and I watch a lot of shows, TikTok, movies and everything. I consume a lot of American content, so that's why I speak English. but I need to be better at Swedish. I know how to speak Swedish, but I fumble sometimes. It depends on who I'm around, because I feel nervous and the words just run away, and I'm like, I swear I do have thoughts and I have opinions, but it doesn't want to come out. My arm is hurting. Yeah, so I'm gonna meet my friend to just yap. I hope everybody finds a friend they can yap to, you know, but make the choices by yourself. Don't let other people choose it for you, because at the end of the day, you are the only person who knows truly how things make you feel and how you feel about other things like that. Choose, hear other people out, talk to other people, but choose with your own heart and your mind, because other people should never make the choice for you. Whoa, wisdom. Oh my god, I'm getting comfortable with filming myself now, because there's a people there everywhere. Yeah, okay. By the way, on the way to the meeting, I felt very shitty, because the choices and the feelings in my head was like circle. Now after the meeting, I feel so much better. Yeah, and also after yapping and finding scarves that are cute. I said no to both jobs, and now I'm gonna study. It's like a course that is like 5 weeks. It's about starting your own company, and we're gonna work on like taxes, pricing, advertising your stuff. So I needed help with that. So you know what? I joined a course instead of looking for a job, because I don't want to work. My dream is to start my own. So instead of like choosing the things that I don't really want, I'm gonna study. Wish me luck.